Hello everyone and welcome to the Anti-Gravity YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss the use of the picture tag. The picture tag is used to create responsive images. So you can see that when the width of the browser is small, it shows Microsoft small icon, and when I make the width a little bit larger, it shows the Microsoft big icon, and when I make width a little larger, it shows the Apple icon. So we can achieve this by using the picture element of HTML. So if I open my VS Code here, okay, so the picture is a tag. The spelling is tag, PICTURE. So when we open it, it mainly consists of two tags inside it. One is the source tag and the another is the img tag. So the img tag consists of the default image. So it will, the image specified in the img is the default images. So if none of the media queries is specified, the image inside the img tag will always show. So here, as I have not specified something inside the source tag, so the image will always be apple.png as I have specified it in the img tag. So let me mention in the comments that it sets the default images. Okay, it sets the default image. So what does the source tag does? The source tag is responsible for changing images using media queries. So what does it does? It will change the image as the browser size changes. So it uses a media attribute to set the media queries. So you can set a media query. So here I'm setting a max width of, let's say, 600 pixels only, and you could see that. And now to sr source set is an attribute which sets the image to show when the maximum width is 600 pixels. So here I am showing Microsoft small.pixel.png. So now if I resize my browser window, it will show the Microsoft small.png. You could see that it works really fine. Okay, so let me do another thing. Let me make another source tag. So wait a second, you could see the values. So if I make another source tag, so, and this time I want to show the Microsoft large icon. So here in my media queries, I want to specify the max width as, let's say, 800 pixels. Sorry, let's say 1000 pixels is a good value. So, and let's say the source set is Microsoft large.png. It will show the larger image of the Microsoft icon. So let me work it. You can see that it works. You can see as the browser width exceeds the as the browser width exceeds the 600 pixel mark, it will show the Microsoft large icon, and when it exceeds the 1000 pixels mark, it will show the Apple icon. So you could see that this was the use of the picture tag. So to summarize it, I will explain you that the picture element is used to create responsive images. So it changes the images based on the size of the viewport. So it has two tags. One is the source tag and the another is the img tag. The img tag shows the default image, and the source tag is used to change the image using media queries. So in the source tag, it has two attributes. One is the media, which sets the media queries like maximum width or minimum width, and the other is the source set, which sets the file path of the image. So you can see I have set a 600 pixels and 1000 pixels image for the tags. Okay, so if I want to set, so the img tag, as I've written here, it sets the default image. So it will always show the Apple when the condition of the above two sources tags become false. So if you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe, as it will support me. Keep watching Anti-Gravity.